Hello everyone, today we will do exercise 13.2 of surface areas and volume. In this exercise we will do volume combination of solid shapes. So, first question is, a gulab jamun contains syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like cylinder with its two hemispherical ends of length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. We are having gulab jamuns which are cylindrical in shape and hemispherical at both the ends. We are having this shaped gulab jamuns. What we have to find? How much syrup would it be found in 45 gulab jamuns shaped like cylinder with two hemispherical ends of length 5 cm and this length is 5 cm and diameter is 2.8 cm. Okay, so we are with radius of gulab jamun या फिर radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder will be equal to the radius of hemisphere. So radius of cylinder and hemisphere will be 1.4 centimeter, half of diameter. And height of cylinder. Height of cylinder will be in this gulab jamun. These are two hemispheres. This is 1.4 and this is 1.4. So we will subtract this 1.4 from both sides and get this height of the cylinder. That means total is 5. So minus 2.8. 1.4 from this side, 1.4 from this side. This gives us 2.2 centimeter. This is the height of cylinder. What we have to find? Volume of one gulab jamun first of all, then of 45 gulab jamuns. So we will calculate volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun will be volume of the cylinder plus two hemispheres. So volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. Volume of two hemispheres. That is, volume of cylinder is pi r square h and two cylinders is, and two hemisphere is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we will put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, r and h here, to find the volume of one gulab jamun. Okay, common from here, that is pi r square, and we are left with h plus 4 by 3 r. Okay, so pi is 22 by 7, 1.4 into 1.4, height is 2.2 plus 4 to 1.4 upon 3. This cancels out 0.2. This gives us 4.4 into 1.4. This 6.6 plus 7.6 upon 3, taking LCM. Okay. This adds up to give 4.4 into 1.4 and this adds up to give us 0.2 upon 3. Okay. This gives us 6.16 and this gives us 4.73. 25.05 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one gulab jamun. Now what will be the volume of 45 gulab jamuns? Volume of 45 gulab jamuns will be 45 into 25.0. 127.25 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Now let us see what we have to calculate. We have to find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. Total volume is this. हमने syrup बताना और syrup कितना है गुलाब जामुन का? 30%. So volume of syrup, we have to calculate the volume of syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. In 45 gulab jamuns is 30% of volume of gulab jamun. Volume of 45 gulab jamuns, 30% of, that means 30 upon 100 of this 1127 0.175. 0.175 centimeter cube is the volume of syrup in gulab jamuns. So we have to find the approximate volume. So approximate volume will be, your answer will be 338 centimeter cube. This is the approximate value of volume of syrup in the gulab jamuns. In this way you have to calculate. You will calculate volume of one gulab jamun, then of 45, and then what is condition given to you that 30% syrup. So 30% is of total volume is syrup. You can calculate on by this way. Now let us see. The questions which we are discussing here are important from CBSE point of view. So let us see another question. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. That is, you are having a cone, inverted cone, okay, in this way, whose height is 8 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter, okay. It is filled with water up to the brim. All this is filled with water up to this brim. When lead shots, each of is a sphere of radius, lead shots in which sphere 0.5 centimeter radius, dropped in the vessel, and they are dropped in the vessel. When you drop this to the cone, water comes out, and total of 1/4 of water came out of this vessel. What we are given that there is a cone, हमारे पास एक कोन है, कोन पानी से पूरा भरा हुआ है और उसमें हम लेड शॉट्स डाल रहे हैं जो स्फेरिकल है, ठीक है. क्या होता है कि जब भी, और ब्रिम तक भरा हुआ है, whenever you put a lead shot into it, water comes out. And how much water comes out? 1/4 of the water flows out. इस कोन का 1/4 टोटल वाटर बाहर आ चुका है. नाउ हमें निकालना क्या, नंबर ऑफ लेड शॉट्स, कि इसमें कितने लेड शॉट्स डले होंगे कि 1/4 पानी बाहर आ गया. लेट अस कैलकुलेट कितने हमने लेड शॉट्स डाले. फॉर दिस फर्स्ट यू विल कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना होगा कि कोन की कितनी वॉल्यूम है, क्योंकि तभी हमें पता लगेगा 1/4 वाटर कितना बाहर आया, ठीक है. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन आपको पता है 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच होती है, ठीक है, जिसमें से कि आपको आर पता है, पाई एज इट इज रख लो. पाया आपको आर पता है वॉल्यूम का कितना है, कोन का 5 स्क्वायर और हाइट है 8. कितना आ गया, 25 into 8 200 पाई अपॉन 3 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Okay, this is the volume of cone. This is the volume of cone. So let us see volume of water flows out. Water flows out. That is 1/4 of volume of cone. So 1/4 of volume of cone is 200 pi upon 3 centimeter cube. So 50 pi upon 3 centimeter cube. This much water comes out of this cone. इतना पानी बाहर आ गया. अब इतना पानी बाहर आया है, इतना टोटल है. अभी हम देख लेते हैं एक लेड शॉट की कितनी वॉल्यूम है, तभी नंबर ऑफ निकालोगे ना. एक लेड शॉट की वॉल्यूम हमें पता होगी तो हम नंबर निकाल पाएंगे, क्योंकि अब हमें पता लग गया इतना टोटल पानी बाहर आया, इतना टोटल पानी बाहर आया. एक की वॉल्यूम ये है, टोटल वाटर अपॉन एक की वॉल्यूम हमें नंबर ऑफ दे देगी कि कितने नंबर ऑफ लेड शॉट्स डले होंगे. सी हाउ यू विल डू. यू विल कैलकुलेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन लेड शॉट. हमें ये नहीं पता कितने हैं, एक तो पता है, एक की तो निकाल सकते हैं वॉल्यूम. तो एक की आ जाएगी, स्फेरिकल शेप है, स्फेरिकल का वॉल्यूम क्या होता है स्फीयर का, 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. तो 4/3 पाई एज इट इज रख लो. आर हमारे पास यहाँ इसका क्या है 0.5 होल क्यूब. ओके, व्हिच गिव्स, जब आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 इंटू पाई, ये हो जाएगा 5 5 से 25 125 अपॉन 1000 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. उसके बाद आप इसे कर लो कटिंग, 125 ये कट जाएगा 8 से, एंड दिस गोज विथ 2. So you get pi upon 6 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one lead shot. What you have to calculate? Number of lead shots. Number of lead shots. So number of lead shots is equal to volume of water flows out upon volume of one. वॉल्यूम बाहर आई है पानी की और एक की हमें पता है, हम टोटल निकाल सकते हैं यूनिटरी मेथड। सो वॉल्यूम में कितनी आई है बाहर 50 पाई बाय 3 अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 लेड शॉट करोगे ये ऐसे हो जाएगा 6 अपॉन पाई। दिस कैंसल्स आउट, दिस गोज विद 2, यू गेट 100। सो 100 लेड शॉट्स, 100 आंसर कि जब आपको 100 लेड शॉट्स डालने पड़ेंगे इसमें कि इस कोन का 1/4 वॉल्यूम वाटर की बाहर फ्लो कर जाए। So in this way you have to do these types of question.